Your password can be stolen, without hacking anything. No exploit. No brute force. No password cracking. The user just gave it away. This demonstration is performed in a controlled lab environment for cybersecurity education. The goal is to understand how phishing works, so we can defend against it. You should watch this video till end because I will also show you two types of tricks. Let me open terminal here. Now, run the command sudo se toolkit and don't underestimate this. I will also show you the underrated version of this in the second part. Provide your password and hit enter. And now you can see this, just type 1 for the option 1 which is social engineering attacks. Now, click on the second option which is the website attack vectors. Hit enter after typing 2. Now, just type the option 3 which is credential harvester attack method, but remember that this video is for educational purposes only. And now, type option 1 for the web template and this will the type 1 of the two options. So, just hit enter to keep that default IP address where the data will be sent back. Now, choose your desired option. I am choosing option 2 for simplicity and the advance will be shown in second part. And now you are all set. The website is active now and it is active on port 80, so now follow me what I am doing. Now open your browser and in the URL box, type HTTP and that default IP which was previously selected. Now, you can see a sign-in page. And this page looks like an older version of Google account sign-in and it is kept here for training and testing purposes. Let me give a sample email and password to show how it works. Click on Sign In Now. No need of saving this. And it simply redirected us to a false site. But by this time, the user had been tricked into providing his email and password. Just go back to terminal again and see the magic. And everything captured is here. But this was the simpler and straightforward method, and no one will use this method today because everyone can notice this thing. And I am not talking about how to trick someone, I am talking about penetration testing, so don't take this otherwise. This is simply a lab demo. And let's move to the second method, the advanced method for pro. Let's first create a directory with the mkdir command. I can name this folder as Phish Lab. Let me get into it using the cd command. Now, I am going to create a file named index.html. And now I will paste a HTML code to make my own website for that phishing lab demo because that Google accounts version has become old now. Hit Ctrl+X and then Y and then hit enter to save it. For creating your own, you need to learn coding because nothing is possible without coding these days. Now, I will run SE Toolkit again to show the main process involved. Again, select option 1 that's social engineering attack and then again website attack vector that's option 2. Now, select credential harvester again. But this time, we will use the option 3rd that is custom import. Hit enter for default IP address. Now, just enter the path and what I have created. I will write the path /home/Munish or Kali if you have and /fishlab/index.html. If you have any confusion in providing the location, you can just check back where I have created that folder and then how to write that, and if still you face problem, then you can comment me in description. Just hit enter after typing. Now, it is asking for the URL. So since this is my self-created website, therefore I can name it anything. I can name it secure site for this purpose. Just hit enter. Now, let's open the browser again and then I will go to the same URL where we went previously, but this time it will be a lot more different than the first one. You can see that this is very different and this is looking like a modern-day website which will not seem suspicious to a normal person. However, if I will enter the username and password here like what I am doing, and then hit enter, then this will probably not work. It will only show the device connected, not the username and password, and I can't tell you how to obtain the username and password because that will be a phishing demo, not a legal lab one. However, I have told you that much that is considered legal in this ethical hacking world. If you like this demo, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel to keep getting more videos. For more help and free resources related to ethical hacking, you can join my Discord server for free. Keep checking my website and follow me on X for daily posts. All the links are given in description. Thanks for watching. Stay anonymous, stay secured.